Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious mousse cake. First, gather all your ingredients, including about 200 grams of good quality chocolate and 500 milliliters of heavy cream. Next, prepare your cake base. A thin sponge cake or a simple cookie crust works perfectly. Finally, line a 9-inch springform pan with parchment paper to ensure easy removal later. Now, let's create that airy mousse. Start by blooming 10 grams of gelatin in 60 milliliters of cold water for about 5 minutes until it softens. Gently melt 200 grams of your chosen chocolate over a double boiler or in the microwave. In a separate bowl, whip 500 milliliters of cold, heavy cream to soft peaks, then carefully fold it into the melted chocolate mixture. It's time to assemble your masterpiece. Place your prepared cake base firmly into the bottom of the lined 9-inch springform pan. Carefully pour about half of your chocolate mousse mixture over the base, spreading it evenly. If you like, add a layer of fresh berries or another thin cake layer for extra texture, then top with the remaining mousse, smoothing the surface. The final steps are simple but crucial. Refrigerate your mousse cake for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight, to allow it to set completely. Once firm, carefully remove the cake from the springform pan and peel away the parchment paper. Now, for the fun part, decorate your beautiful creation with chocolate shavings, fresh berries, or a simple glaze. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.